doing here is mixing the eggs and the sugar until it produces some white foam on top of it. So this may take long, so stay tuned to find out.
First, the baby bed.
So I'm still mixing until the white foam comes on top. So if you don't know what I've mixed in here, it's just 5 eggs and 1 cup of sugar. Brown sugar, white sugar, whatever sugar you like. It will take a lot of time, about 5 to 20 minutes, so I will be here for a long time.
You're doing it manually.
Doing it manually, no machines needed.
See, this will be back to my arm.
So stay tuned as I continue mixing. For us, we used brown sugar, so it's taking more time than usual. But I'm almost done, So we can move into the next stage. So, for some of you who don't know, we're making a simple spongy vanilla cake.
A simple what?
Simple spongy vanilla cake. So stay tuned to see how it ends up.
Wow!
So this is the progress.
Kokari.
This is the progress. So stay tuned to find out more.
Good morning, people. Have a nice weekend. For this day, for hours to watch on this, click the button, subscribe Mom and Amber and Mice. Don't forget to subscribe channel.
Hi good people, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Mugeshe and this is the channel of hope. As you can see, we've just woken up.
For this day,
Hey, you're making a lot of noise. Forgive us.
Oopsie.
Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We are having breakfast now. It's around 10 a.m. Happy New Year. Enough, they have had it. So we are having breakfast, as you can see. You're having some bread there and some chai. Bad manners now. And I can you imagine? This is Amber's series, but she's lately she become a bit shy. You know, when they grow, they become shy. And I am actually trying to introduce her video. Just yesterday, I found her baking some. What are you baking?
A vanilla sponge.
You have to be louder than that.
A vanilla spongy cake.
A vanilla
birthday on
spongy
January
cake.
16th.
16. You're inviting them for your birthday.
Yes, and swimming pool and Bachikasha and Spider-Man.
Okay, just take your breakfast now and keep quiet, huh? Yeah, at what were you making?
A spongy vanilla cake.
A spongy vanilla cake.
And it's delicious.
And would you want to introduce your cake?
And it's delicious.
And she took it's delicious. And she took so many. Get this cup out of here because it has a name.
It's how I
Black
name
book.
school fees.
And
Happy.
she did a very nice one, and she's going to tell you how she did it. We have several clips that she made. I am going to join it for you, and I will definitely put it. After you guys, I have put a series of enough, Chloe. A series of series that I've been making about an independent woman. So I'm going to put those ones first, guys. Tune in for that. I have around 3 of them about independent woman. Welcome and tune in. It will be on very soon. And then I'm going to post the videos that she has been doing. She's done several.
Hooray!
Enough. So good people, please tune in to the Independent Woman, how to become an independent woman. I know you don't want to miss that. This does not exclude men. All of you are going to watch. And then after I do that, I will of course put the series for Amber and the sister. Thank you so much for supporting this young one here when she did a series on Christmas and what Christmas is all about. Thank you so much for those who gave it a thumbs up. They liked it. Thank you so much for supporting my family. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you, because Amber is back, though a bit shy. So if she does a video behind the scene, you don't have to run away. I'll definitely put it. So first of all, before I put in this one for Amber, I did some series, like I've said, just before Christmas and during Christmas and at the beginning of the year, about independent woman. Tune in and have that. I have another series that is coming again. Somebody has requested. Thank you for Lynette for requesting about parenting, and I will bring. I'm preparing another series of parenting. I have done several. Please check out on what I have done and see what I left out and you'd want to know about it. About parenting, I did several videos sometimes back, so please scroll down, look for the link. I'll attach it. If you don't get it, let me know, and let me see, or let me know what you haven't, what I didn't put in those videos on parenting. So good people, Amber, what do you want to tell people? Are you back?
Yes, I'm
Meanwhile,
back.
can you be taking tea, Mama? Yes, take tea. Now you want to show the viewers that you don't take your breakfast. Yes, Amber, you're back?
I'm back. I've been gone for some time, school stuff, but now I'm back and I'm happy to be back.
You're happy to be back.
Yes, my sister Amber Warima will get it.
All right, thank you guys. There's a lot of talking, having woken up right now. And yes, we are going to do the videos, and welcome good people. Yes, what else do you want to say? Yes, so we've woken up and we are doing the videos now, and we are also doing the video once again. So you be well. Noise maker, can you take tea? So guys, yes, thank you so much. A lot of noise, a lot of introduction, but this is my family having breakfast. One is still asleep, and trust me, what time is it?
It's 10
o'clock.
50.
It's some minutes to 11 actually, and they are having their breakfast now. So we are waiting for her to finish because we don't want to leave her on the table, dining table. And thank you so much, guys. If you like such videos with people with some heads cuts on the head after they wake up, Chloe, please, you're making a lot of noise. Filanga free is what we are doing. Having woken up, of course, I've showered, but I have a kitamba on my head. I don't feel like removing it because I've not gone back to work. So just in the house, at the background, somebody's dancing. And yeah, this is how we look like when you're doing nothing and you're just in the house and doing nothing. Take your tea. So welcome back, guys. If you like such videos of Firanga Free, you like such videos which are of common mwananchi, you're most welcome. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, Chloe, please. Now you're joking. Give it a thumbs up and do what? Tell them to do what?
Hit that notification bell, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yes, do subscribe. I'm back. I'm going to try to be very consistent and bring stuff. Meanwhile, would you please do comment and tell me what you'd want me to, what do I mean? Topics that you'd want us to discuss, topics that issues that have been bothering you and you want us to talk about, and we shall do it. Thank you. The introduction is so big, so big, so long. Yeah, the introduction is long, mrefu. But here is the cake for Amber. Amber, tell them to watch and see that spongy vanilla cake. Simple, very simplified, and very few ingredients. So don't stop at the introduction, even if it's very big. Come down and watch Amber's cake. Here it is. Bye.
eggs have beaten, and this is the end product. And this is the end product. So I want to add vanilla essence and flour, so stay tuned. So for those who have just tuned in now, I've just beat up 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of flour, so stay tuned. So I'm about to put the vanilla essence.
How much?
Only 1 teaspoon. Now I want to go and put some oil or some butter. Now I want to put the oil or the butter. You can use oil or butter. Remember, I'm trying to make it a spongy vanilla cake. So I'm putting the oil.
Wow.
Yeah, wow. And then I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix it up. Mix it. I'm gonna mix it all together. The mixture of eggs and sugar with the vanilla extract and the oil or butter. Mix it up nicely. We are trying to make it spongy, so at least add some butter or some oil. If you don't have butter, you can use oil, or if you don't want to use oil, you have some butter. So we're going to mix it till it foams again. Remember, we're mixing the mixture of eggs and sugar and the vanilla extract, the oil and butter, oil or butter. We're mixing it until it forms like the mixture of eggs and sugar. It may take a long time again, so be patient. So this is the end product of mixing the mixture of eggs and sugar, vanilla essence, and oil. Yes, I'm going to show her. It's white foam. Now we're going to put the flour. So this is the end product. As you can see the thickness. This is our cake mix or cake batter. So stay tuned to find out how the cake will turn out.
I'm tuned.
Are my spongy vanilla cakes from the oven. They look so nice. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check out more videos. Stay tuned. Hit the subscription button and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye.
Kata keki, sio ugali. Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki, sio ugali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amber.